Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2009 to 2024 Ram 1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Remove the rear wheel and rear fender liner. Remove the rear shock absorber. Lift the truck bed to create working clearance. Step 3. Cut off the factory spring mount along its base. Avoid cutting into the frame rail. If the frame rail needs repair, grind the mounting area to bare metal and apply weld-through primer. Install the required frame repair kit before proceeding. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer if needed. Step 5. Position the replacement rear shock mount using the factory silhouette for alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the mount in place, then fully weld all edges. Step 6. If any additional components were removed to install a frame repair kit, reinstall them now. Step 7. Install the shock using the included M14 hardware. The M14 bolt requires a 22mm socket. The M14 nut requires a 21mm wrench. Use an impact and wrench to tighten the hardware securely. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Once dry, lower and reinstall the bed, then reinstall the shock absorber, rear fender liner, and rear wheel.